Hello students, the next topic is displacement reaction. It is defined as a reaction in which one element displaces or replaces another element from the compound. For example, the reaction between iron and copper sulfate. When we dip iron nail in a copper sulfate solution, the iron element displaces the copper element from the copper sulfate solution, and ferrous sulfate is formed and copper is displaced. The color of ferrous sulfate is green and copper sulfate is blue. Some other examples, and these are similar examples in which one metal is replacing the other metal. These reactions occur on the basis of reactivity series of the metal or elements. For example, zinc can displace copper and lead can displace copper, but the reverse is not possible. Copper can't replace zinc from its salt solution. Hence, we see that zinc and lead are more reactive than copper. The last type of reaction is double displacement reaction. In this reaction, the two elements of two different compounds exchange their places. In other words, we can say that reactions in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reactions. For example, the reaction between barium sulfate solution and sodium chloride solution is formed by the reaction of sodium sulfate solution and barium chloride solution, as demonstrated in the chemical reaction. When we mix the two solutions containing sodium sulfate and barium chloride, we will observe that after some time there is a white precipitate formation. That white precipitate is of barium sulfate, and this type of reaction is called precipitate reaction because we get a precipitation of barium sulfate. A white color substance is formed. A schematic representation of single and double displacement reaction can be depicted as shown in the image. Now, next topic is oxidation and reduction. The surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. आपने देखा होगा कि हम लोग जब कॉपर के यूटेंसिल्स यूज़ करते हैं तो कुछ समय बाद उनके ऊपर एक ब्लैक कलर की कोटिंग फॉर्म हो जाती है. इसी चीज़ को हम लोग ऑक्सीडेशन कहते हैं, which is given by copper plus oxygen combined with heat to give copper oxide. Similarly, to remedy this, we pass hydrogen gas over it and the black coating surface turns brown as the reverse reaction takes place. That is, copper oxide plus hydrogen will give copper and water. Now, the definition of oxidation. If a compound gains an oxygen atom during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized, and the reaction is said to be oxidation. And its opposite, if a substance loses an oxygen atom during a reaction, it is called reduced, and the reaction is called reduction reaction. In the given reaction, copper oxide is losing oxygen, therefore it is reduced, and the hydrogen is gaining oxygen, therefore it is oxidized. Always in a oxidation reduction reaction, one reactant gets oxidized while the other reactant gets reduced. Such reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. We can understand this by seeing a figure. As you can see that copper is reducing and hydrogen is oxidizing. Now we see some other examples. Zinc oxide plus carbon, then zinc is displaced and carbon is oxidized, and in manganese oxide and hydrochloric acid, manganese displaces chlorine and gets reduced. The green color text you can note down in your copy. In the next topic, we will discuss other effects of oxidation and reactions in our daily life. Thank you.